Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've not been posting too many videos at the moment, but I've been struggling to find new stuff for my collections. So these are the few I've found over the last couple of weeks. So we have one Transformer, found in a charity shop. I found one Digimon at a car boot for 20p. Got a few Toy Story figures for the cabinet. Got this guy from car boot. Shame it's a little bit broken. I've picked up a few Pokemon packs, so the next few clips will be me open packs. Let's see what I pull. I've just got back from IKEA, bought a couple of new shelves, so I'm going to build them and I'll show you what collection goes in where. So for now, I believe the top shelf will be my Street Sharks and my Extreme Dinosaurs. So the next two will be my boxed Transformer figures. Do you think they'll be best out of the box? Probably save a little bit more space though. So I've moved a few of the Transformers around to get in another shelf here. So currently just the one figure down here, and we've got Goliath and Hudson just here, I think I'm going to keep my blade shelf as it is. Maybe get rid of some of the storage boxes, but I quite like seeing my blades out. So we now have a space for my Godzilla vs. Kong figures. I will eventually get some lights for this unit. So here's my Toy Story collection. Here's the collection so far. There's still a little bit of messy areas. Comment below your favourite toy, and I'll see you in the next video.